All right, guys, we got us a 1994 Chevy Silverado 1500. Really beautiful truck, single cab. You barely find these this clean. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys is true duals. It's got an X pipe, and we put some BORLA mufflers Pro X on it, right there and right there. We had to put it upside down so it'll fit. Then we got them center dumped behind the rear axle, as you guys can see right there. He didn't want too loud, he didn't want to see it, he wanted just a clean look. And there she is, as you guys can see. It's got high flow cats on it, and that's it. Anyways, if you guys like it, let us know in the comments what you guys think of the sound. Anyway, and there'll be a link in the description for the BORLA. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. 1998 Chevy Silverado 1500, 5.7, right? 5.7 liter V8. It's got an aftermarket converter there and there, so they're basically high flow cats there and there. Then it comes true dual from the factory with a flange right there. Then it continues, and what we did on it for you guys is a MAGNAFLOW dual in, single out. They're not directional, so you can flip them around. Part number 12198. There it is. 20 inches long, 14-inch body, 2.5-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet right there, as you guys can see. And then continued it to his original tailpipe. He just wanted the sound. He didn't want duals or nothing. He might bring it back later on. BORLA Pro Access. That sounds really good. What's the motor size? 5.7 liter. Is that perfect? Your sound decibels? 96.1. He didn't want it too loud. He had a straight pipe before. It was way too loud. He's like, I'm done with straight pipes. And we're proud of BORLA because it's built in Tennessee. Johnson City, baby. You guys can see the truck is really clean. That sounds really nice. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado. What do you think? Is that exactly what you wanted? It's not too much, just clean. Again? There's sound decibels. Right at 94. He didn't want it loud because he's on the phone. He's a contractor, so he's on the phone a lot. He didn't want it too loud inside either. There's it idle. Much better. Chevy Silverado 1500 with a MAGNAFLOW. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy 1500, really beautiful. There it is. Sexy little truck. I love cars and trucks and vehicles, especially when they're clean like that, older ones. Enjoy, guys. Chevy Silverado. There you go. MAGNAFLOW. much is perfect for what he wanted. I like it, nice and deep.